Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have found the perfect sandals for the summer. What I love about these Aerosoft sandals is that they go well with casual outfits, but yet at the same time, they are not afraid to class it up with the dressier outfits. So when I wanted to class it up, I had the confidence that these sandals would be absolutely beautiful. I normally wear a size 7.5, but I decided to order a size 7. So even though it was a little snug when I first put them on, I knew that with the leather, once it warms up to your feet, it stretches a bit. And it has a nice little arch support, so I felt comfortable walking around in these shoes, and I could walk all day long and not have any problems. And I really appreciated how they made the soles, because that way when I walked around, I didn't have to worry about if I was going to slip and slide. These sandals have such a beautiful, rich color, and they go with so many different outfits. I was so pleased with them. They are basically now my favorite sandals in the closet. And that is just my point of view.